Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how to change Facebook password. Okay, so to change your Facebook password, first of all, if you already logged in your account, you have to go on your Facebook account and click on this three line. From here, go on setting, again setting. From here you have to go on passport and security. From here, change password, and on the first option, on the this first option, you have to put your current password. Okay, that's the old password or current password. And in second option, and the key icon, you have to enter your new password that you are going to change to. Okay, again retype your new password, put your new password in this section, and in this section 2 icon, and click on update password. Click on update password. That's how you going to change your Facebook password.